Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for your subscription as well as your support. And today we will learn about quadratic equations again. I will be taking problems from Ncert and giving you solutions from chapter 4, solving quadratic equations by factorization method, which means splitting the middle term. And I've written a problem here, and this problem is solve x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we need to understand that in a quadratic equation, it is of the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the coefficient of x squared is not seen here because there is no number, so that means it is 1, and the constant is c, which is minus 10. So the first step is to multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant minus 10 this way. 1 into minus 10. So when you multiply 1 into minus 10, you get minus 10. This minus 10, let's split it into factors. And the first thing that we need to do is we need 1, and I'll just put an into there for some purpose that you will know, into minus 10. Will give me minus 10. Or I'll put 2 into minus 5, which will give me minus 10. Or I will put minus 2 into 5, which still gives me minus 10. Or minus 10, not minus 10, or minus 1 into 10. So you will see that I've put minuses there for a purpose. Why? Because, and I put some space here, if we were to cut these off and make put addition symbols here, we would need to find out which of these addition symbols, operation of addition, will give us minus 3. So obviously we can see that 2 plus of minus 3, minus 5 will give us minus 3, which is this minus 3. And this clearly means that 2 and minus 5 are the terms that can be split. Alright? Now these terms that can be split can be written here as x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So here you have managed to see that minus 5 and plus 2, minus 5x and plus 2x will give us minus 3. So I have managed to split the middle term, and then I take 2 terms from here and 2 terms from here to factorize them. Then when we take the 2 terms, an easy method for starters, you need to look at x squared and you need to look at minus 5x. So here what will happen? This will be equal to x into x, and here minus 5 into x. You will see that x is the common one. So we take out x here. We take out x, sorry about that. We take out x here, and then we put inside what is not common. And what is not common is x and minus 5. Now you will see clearly that x into x is x squared, x into minus 5 is minus x. Now the same thing we do for the other one, which is 2x, and it is equal to 2 into x, and then the other one is minus 10, which is equal to 2 into minus 5. So the common one here is 2 again, so we put here plus 2. And then the non-common numbers, non-common factors here is x and minus 5. So I put here x and minus 5, which is equal to 0. And from there clearly we can see that we have managed to factorize it. So now we take these 2 terms which are non-common, alright, and we put here x plus 2 into x minus 5. The one which is common is taken only once, is equal to 0. Now all you have to do is declare the roots of the equation and say Therefore, the roots of the equation are either, because you have two x's here, either x plus 2 is equal to 0, which imply x is equal to minus 2, or x minus 5 is equal to 0, which imply x is equal to 5. Remember that in transposition, the negative becomes positive, the positive becomes negative. So answer will be x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 5. And that you have completed a quadratic equation by factorization method.